Hi everyone, welcome to my cyberspace. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to install Power BI Paginated Report, not Power BI, how to install Power BI Paginated Report. First of all, welcome to my cyberspace, and now let's get right into it. Now, one of the things you want to do is you want to head over to your favorite browser, whichever it is, and just going to click on download, download Power BI Paginated Report Builder. You have it, so make sure you click on this. So it says download details, but I just like the ones that have the logo of Power BI Paginated Reports. So we click on download Paginated Report Builder. So and we have that, like, it really very fast. So we click on this, then we click on next. You try to accept, next, and you install, and click on yes. And when you have this installed already and you are good to go, let's just try to see if it opens up, and let's see. So you try to finish, and that is the Ebola. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to, so we have to be sure it's installed Power BI Report Builder. It's also different from Power BI Desktop. Next video, I'm talking about how do you understand like Power BI Paginated Report interface, and subsequent video, I'm going to be talking about how to load in your first data in Power BI Report Builder. If this video was a value for time, to subscribe, like, follow, and share. Thank you. Ciao.